Now we will see second example of exercise 3.1. Here, what is given? A circle with center O, M and N, 2 points are present on the circle. Point R is in the exterior. Two tangents are drawn, RM and Rn. And question, as well as it is given that length of OR is 10 cm, radius of the circle is 5 cm. We have to find out length of MR as well as NR also. Length of MR and length of NR we will find out. And measure of angle MRO and measure of angle MRN. Okay, now I will draw another figure here. I will draw half part of the figure. O is the center, no problem. MR is the tangent. M point is point of contact. What is M? It is a point of contact. OM is the radius drawn from point of contact. And therefore what we know, segment OM, according to the property of the tangent, segment OM is perpendicular to tangent MR. It is perpendicular to tangent MR. And so angle M is right angle. Angle M is 90 degree. I will join this OR. M is 90 degree. OR is given, it is a 10 cm. Radius of the circle is 5 cm. So to find the value of MR, I will use Pythagoras theorem here. We can use MR square is equal to OR square minus OM square also. But I will use routine method. OR square. By OR square, it is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means what? The longest side or side opposite to 90 degree. OR square is equal to OM square plus MR square by using Pythagoras theorem. 10 square is equal to 5 square plus MR square. So 100 is equal to 25 plus MR square. And therefore MR square is equal to 75. By taking square root, MR is equal to root 75. And this root 75 will be 25 into 3. Perfect square 25, its square root is 5. MR is 5 root 3. So what is the value of MR? It is 5 root 3 centimeter. We can find out the value of MR by using trigonometric application, means trigonometric value, sin theta, cos theta, etc. We can use 30, 90, 60s theorem also here, but I have used Pythagoras theorem here. Now, here I get the value of MR. MR is 5 root 3 centimeter. But what is MR? It is the tangent drawn from exterior point. Okay. Therefore, MR is equal to NR. Why? Because the property of the tangent that if the tangents drawn from the exterior point of the circle, tangents are congruent. So MR is equal to NR and length of each tangent segment will be 5 root 3 centimeter. Now we will find out value of angle MRO. See the figure again here. M is right angle, O is here, R is here, M right angle, and value of OM is 5, OR is 10 and MR is 5 root 3. Now, value of OM is half of the OR. Okay, OR is 10 centimeter and OM is 5 centimeter. So, value of OM is half of the OR. Therefore, according to converse of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees theorem, converse of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees theorem. Angle, measure of angle R is 30 degree. Why? Side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. Now see here is triangle OMR and sum of measures of all the angles in triangle is 180 degree. Now 90 degree plus 30 degree, 120 degree. Sum of measures of all angle is 180 degree. Sum of measures of these two angles is 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree. 180 degree minus 120 degree, 60 degree. So, what will be the measure of angle O here? Angle O 60 degree and measure of angle MRO is 30 degree. Thank you.